Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Kenn Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 3rd of January 2023. We did a slow comb, a first move half Manhattan, and a stair shuffle and a basket teapot. If you want teaching detail on any of those moves, there are links to the teaching clips in the description below, and now we're going to show you how everything joined together. So the whole lot looked like this. It went 7 and 8. Back for the slow comb, return, comb and left, right, left, right. We twisted for the half Manhattan, did a couple of rocks in the half Manhattan, opened up again, went round to two hands for the stair shuffle, where we came up, twist and slide, twist and slide, twist and slide, twist and slide into a basket, and we used the basket to set ourselves up to do the teapot, hence the basket teapot. All the way round, whoosh, over the top and stop. That was the whole thing. Hope you find that useful. If you do find it useful, do please put a like on the video, and if you're finding generally our videos useful, I recommend you subscribe to the channel so you can get even more. If you pop the notification bell on, you'll get told every time a new video comes out. In the last few seconds of the video, some windows come up giving you suggested other videos, but one of them will be a music recommendation of something nice to practice this routine to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.